Hi, I'm Lieutenant J.G. Dave Blanchard. I'm from Virginia Beach, Virginia, and I graduated from Duke University. And I fly the MH-60 Sierra helicopter with the HC-8 8-ballers. Our primary mission set is anti-surface warfare, and we accomplish that through a variety of weapons and sensors, including the Hellfire missile, the 20mm cannon, laser-guided and unguided rockets. We have a very adaptable platform which allows us to meet threats to the carrier strike group from around the world.
I'm a Lieutenant Junior Grade Annie Frizzle-Cutchin from Alexandria, Virginia. I went to Goucher College in Towson, Maryland, and then attended Officer Candidate School in Newport, Rhode Island. I recently returned from a deployment with HSC-6 on the USS Theodore Roosevelt aircraft carrier. We did a bunch of our different mission sets out there to include search and rescue, primarily executed on plane guard, but we did get one successful rescue on workups of a downed Hawker Hunter pilot for a training exercise. Additionally, we did vertical replenishment, delivering supplies to and from different ships. We delivered over 3 million pounds of supplies, additionally 15 medevacs, logistics runs to include taking the CNO to Hawaii and Nippon. Additionally, we executed 2 restricted waters transits, so escorting the strike group through the Straits of Hormuz 2 times, in conjunction with HSM 73.
I'm Jose Escovedo. I'm a pilot at HSC 23, an expeditionary squadron. I'm originally from Memphis, Tennessee. I went to the United States Naval Academy, class of 2013. Over the last year, I went on an ARG deployment, amphibious ready group with the USS America for 7 months from July through February, in which we supported the ship as well as the Marines on board, anywhere from doing PAX runs, logistical support, vert rep, SAR, as well as providing live troops support to the Marines and sniper training and anything else they needed.
My name is Lieutenant Corey Rawlins. I'm from the Dallas area in Texas and went to TCU prior to joining the military. I'm going to talk to you today about the Helmet Display Targeting System, or HDTS, which our squadron's been using for the last 6 months. We've got our day and our night lightning strikes versions of the HDTS that allow us to use and improve our SA whatever the operating environment is. First of all, tactically, this system greatly improves our accuracy whenever employing the 20mm and unguided rocket systems. It provides a CCIP, or crosshairs, that uses a constantly updated ballistic calculation to project the impact point of those rounds or rockets. Secondly, in the aircraft during normal operations, the pilot will always have an attitude, a 360-degree compass, and an artificial horizon that updates with wherever the pilot's head is oriented. Finally, if you're ever wondering where the co-pilot is looking, as we sometimes do, there will be a co-pilot crosshairs on the other pilot's display that shows exactly where your co-pilot is looking. Practically, this is really good for target talk-on as well as obstacle avoidance, and is a great improvement over just using naked eye talk-on. We've been using the HDTS for the last 6 months. As you can see, it's very light and it's much less cumbersome than previous versions of the heads-up display, and we absolutely love it.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Lieutenant Anthony Arrow, call sign special with HSC 7. Just going to go over some of our overland missions today. So one of our first ones we do is special operations support, just over water, over land, insert and extract. Also train for combat search and rescue, just going out and anytime somebody's shot down, picking them up. The big thing we provide with that is the organic assets. So our strike group commander in the carrier strike group can then use us, his own asset, to go rescue one of his own people. Other big one we do is overland search and rescue. And actually last year our squadron went out and did 3 months of humanitarian aid and search and rescue for the hurricanes. So just a wide range of missions you can expect to fly every day and every week with HSC.
Hi, I'm Lieutenant Emily Wallace with the HSC 3 Merlins here in Naval Station North Island. I originally come from Arlington, Virginia. I come from a Navy family, and I went to the Penn State University. In Center College, I studied aerospace engineering, and then I went on from flight school to be a 53 pilot in Norfolk, Virginia for 5 years, and then I transferred for this tour to HSC 3 to take over their airborne mine countermeasures mission here on the West Coast. So here we train on ALMINS and AMS, And ALMIDS is the Airborne Laser Mine Detection System. We use it to find sea mines that are close to the surface. And then AIM&S is the Airborne Mine Neutralization System, which we use to detonate mines under the water so we don't have to put human in the way of the detonation. So they're both two comparative missions that are going to start to take over for the MH-53 community in the idea of mine warfare for the United States Navy.
My name is Lieutenant Walker Robinson, and I'm a pilot at HSC-21 Blackjacks. I'm here today to talk about the MQ-8 Fire Scout. So at HSC-21, we fly both the MH-60 Sierra as well as the MQ-8B Fire Scout. The Fire Scout is a drone helicopter. It's a lot smaller than the Sierra, and the idea is that we basically take both aircraft and base them off of an LCS, Littoral Combat Ship. And they supplement each other, they're complementary. So the Fire Scout is flown by the same pilots that fly the MH-60 Sierra. We basically take this thing out, we can fly it from the ship remotely and use it to build a maritime surface picture, ISR picture, for the combatant commanders out there. But what's great about this aircraft is it sort of represents the future of naval aviation. It's kind of a blank slate in which future platforms will start to build in all kinds of different capabilities. Everything from ISR to designating for Hellfire missile shots. Basically this aircraft can do it all. And as we go forward and we develop more advanced platforms based on what we're learning with the MQ-8, we're going to start seeing that brought to the fleet as well.
What's up, everyone? My name is Mike Callahan, Lieutenant here at HSC-4 from Richmond, Virginia, Naval Academy class of 2012. I'm here today to talk about the fixed forward firing weapon system on the MH-60 Sierra. We utilize the fixed forward firing weapon system in two capacities, via the M197 20mm cannon, as well as the Laos 61, either Charlie Alpha or Golf Alpha 19 rocket launcher. Our 20mm cannon is utilized for small boat threats to employ enfilade fire and other individual and section tactics, mostly maritime based. We also have our Laos 61 Charlie Alpha, which is our unguided rocket system. We utilize that again for a small boat threat in a swarm environment, usually again maritime. Our aircraft is also able to employ the Laos 61 Golf Alpha, which is our advanced precision kill weapon system, a laser guided rocket, again for utilized mostly for small boat threats and maritime support tactics. We stand here now as the most operationally ready HSC squadron due to our back-to-back 7th Fleet deployments and ability and necessity to maintain fixed forward firing weapon system currency.
We got an audience. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and start. Okay, cool.
So you want me to go and kind of similar things before? Okay.
All right, whenever you're ready.
Okay, cool.
We'll see if it will. Yeah. Yeah. Good morning, sir. My name is...
What else do you want me to say? I mean... Okay.
Cool. How about that?